Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to solve LeetCode question number 26, which is a remove duplicate from a sorted array. We will first understand the problem and we will go to the example, and then we write the code in C++. So let's get started. The problem says you are given integer of array called nums sorted uh, in non-decreasing order. Remove the duplicate in the place such that unique element appears only once. The relative order of elements should be kept the same. The return the number of unique elements in nums. The relative order of the elements should remain the same. After removing the duplicates, return the new length of an array. You don't create another array. So we will go through an example. We we have number of array, that's 112, and output is 2 number. So here is an unique element are 1 and 2. The first letter and 2 because there are two unique numbers. And another example is number of array 0011, uh, 111 2 2 3 3 4. So we return and five element which is are unique. So let's go through the code, and in this code, the time complexity of this code is order of equal of n. So because we use one for loop in this code, so let's write the code. First we declare our indices I is equal to 0, and then this means our first unique element is at zeros index. After that, we use for loop, and in this for loop start from j is equal to 1 through number size of an array and j plus plus 1. And in this for loop we check that nums of j is not equal to nums of I, which means we got the element which is a unique. So we store that unique elements into the number nums of I plus 1 is equal to nums of j, that store the unique element into the number of I plus 1 index. Uh, After that storing, we increase the ith. After that, return I plus 1. So we run the code. So we saw that every test cases is going to be success. We successfully get the unique element. So the that's it. We solved the late code question number 26, which is going to be very easy. So we will back after the new video. So thank you for watching.